Brick IRL, we like to find the most in real life bricks that we can find. And this right here,
Real life brick.
that's a real live brick. We're going on an adventure back through here. First step is there's a train here right now, and there's some guys up here. So hopefully they don't give us a hard time. We're in the woods, man. We're in the woods. Walking around randomly in the woods. I found this river. Just kidding, this is a Fox River. I knew it was here, but I've never seen it over here, so let's check it out. All these down trees in the woods here. It's kind of cool. Just walking through the woods still. Up there a little ways are where the train was. We thought we might find some stuff like this.
They did a good job.
It's not bad. We got like a homeless thing here, homeless camp. Some of their stuff here.
It appears they did a decent job making that.
They got a little like lean-to, or so I don't know what you call it, a little teepee looking thing here. The train is still right over there. Yeah. Some more bricks. It's probably a good thing that I started this brick YouTube channel. Oh hey, the train's leaving. So we're gonna go back out. See if we can get them going. Are they gonna start moving? I got a ways to go, and there's water down here. It's actually dried up. I'm gonna go through it. This should be water. Told you we were in a drought. There it is. Is there people right in the back of that thing? I'm deep in the fucking woods. All right. I'm out. Man, this thing is loud. It's like rumbling my chest. With these things moving behind you, I probably shouldn't be standing here. Let's hope this isn't the last film I ever make. Can't go any further. I don't know if it's a big deal or not, but look, there's a cop car. It's two cop cars. They ain't looking at us. I don't know if they're looking at me or not. I'm just gonna go back. We have found a way around the police cars. Maybe. Stand by for updates. It was not good. There's cops everywhere. We took a turn and we left the place and we seen more cops on the way out, so we just decided forget it. So now we're behind this gas station, gonna walk over here. There should be a river over this way. Can't see it yet, but there should be a river. Really sucks walking back through this stuff. There's no good way to take. I'm wearing shorts. All these plants hurt. Ow. That one more than the rest. It's worse than it was before. I think we're getting to the river. I thought we were gonna be there already. Oh, look at, there's a clearing in the woods. Oh, thank you, nature. Look at this. This is pretty nice. Over.
Oh, he's stuck. We might have to save him.
Do we need another rescue?
Must we do a turtle rescue today, you guys?
Do we have
for it?
Come on, you can do it.
You got this, buddy.
You can do it. Yeah. Following deer tracks on this, like, on an animal run here, and pretty sure you're not allowed to hunt here. And there is a tree stand up in this tree here.
Lots of deer tracks.
And I guarantee you that's a good hunting spot, because there are deer tracks coming all through here.
In every direction.
Everywhere you go. Kind of want to go up there and check it out. Here at the tree thing, it looks like it's made out of some pallet, I don't know. But fortunately I'm not going up it. It's yeah, I didn't mean to do that. But yeah, I'm not gonna climb up it, but obviously no one's been here in a long time, so I guess they're not hunting right now. Oh yeah, look at it, it's grown into the wood there.
Mike.
We
some kids made some stuff out here.
we found another. I don't think this is kids. It's probably some homeless.
They call it their paradise.
I think it's kids or homeless people.
You gotta get this brick on film, brick.
Oh guys, I did find another brick here. There's a single sneaker, some sleeping bedding stuff, a picnic table and a table, and what looks like the remains of an umbrella. They really had it going on back here at one point, man.
I mean, these kids were chilling.
We're out in the middle of, like, they got a little, look at, man, they got riverfront property, carpeting. Look at this carpeting they got out here, and they got it good.
We got plenty of bait. Plenty of bait, bro.
We don't need night crawlers. Garbage. I'm picking up this jug. It sucks. I'm in the middle of a field. There's a jug. I'm gonna throw it away at the gas station. That's my one piece of garbage for the day.
Fixing stuff with Brick and Earl in real life. 2017. Fox River Park.
Try to start it up. Got the clutch on, I guess. I always have better luck with this, so prepare for moving slow. It died on Earl. Come on, throttle it out when in doubt. So Earl doesn't know how to use the bike, so I'm gonna ride the bike here. He's gonna film from the boosted board.
This takes so much more energy than that bike.
He's gonna film. Here you go.
All right.
I'm so